Hey guys, Jasmine Whitley here. Welcome back to Closet Raid. I chopped my hair. It's so short. I told you I was gonna do this. I'm liking it a lot. It's really different. I was super nervous to do the bangs, but I can like wear them like full fringe, or I can wear them like wispy, like wispy, or I can wear them like side. So now that we've addressed that, I'm excited to make this video because I don't typically make these types of videos because I don't believe in fashion rules, and I hate like do's and don'ts because I feel like depending on the circumstance and the person and the vibe of the outfit, anything can go, literally anything. That's your vibe, that's your vibe. Like that's just, it's sad. I thought I had a hair tie on me. That's like a fashion don't, but it's not on my list. I'm gonna talk to you guys about 5 things that I think can completely derail and destroy your outfit. These are things that I steer clear of pretty much no matter what, just because these are like key base rules that can just apply to anything like overall. Before we get into the video, if you're not already, please subscribe if you like fashion content, because I post every single Thursday and I work really hard on making fun videos for you guys with special guests like celebrities and YouTubers, and then also just like fun fashion content, sharing what I do as a wardrobe stylist. If you want more fashion tips sort of videos, do's and don'ts, like that kind of video, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to ring the notification bell if you're already subscribed and you want to be notified that I'm posting, because sometimes I do post bonus content stuff. So if you want to be in the loop, ring the bell. Is that it? Okay, let's get right into the video. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is undergarments. A lot of people believe that you can have bra strap showing and wear the wrong types of undergarments, and that is so incorrect. It can completely derail your outfit. I think that having proper undergarments is crucial to looking classy, looking chic, looking put together, polished, from looking amazing, bringing it from like a 10 to a 2. And it's little changes like this that I want to like let you guys in on that can completely shift the vibe of your outfit. Literally doing the most. I'm showing you guys exactly what I mean, giving you examples. Look at this cute off the shoulder top, right? It's just like a crop top, like throw it on and go, casual crop top. And they might think like, oh, it's perfectly fine, like the black straps match my pants, or like they're really, really thin, or like so many excuses. Like, no, let me show you guys, okay, how cute is this outfit? No, it's tacky and messy and sloppy. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the proper undergarment. Okay, so there you go. I'm wearing a strapless bra. Okay, this is like a padded one. But like, literally look at the difference. Like, it's such minimal, like such a minimal thing that makes a drastic change in your outfit and in your look. So yeah, this is like the outfit with a normal strapless appropriate bra. Also, there's like nude undergarments, black, for a reason. Like, they shouldn't be showing through. That's another like part of this tip. And now you don't have anything. You don't look sloppy, you don't look messy. That's the vibe. Okay, so the next one on my list, okay, let me find the proper words to explain this. So everyone has a different shape. Some girls are top heavy, some girls are bottom heavy, some girls are hourglass, some girls are boxy, some girls are, there's just completely different, like everyone has a different shape, different structure, different body type. And I think it can completely derail your outfit if you're not highlighting your body type, if that makes sense. Like, for example, tucking something in can completely change your outfit from looking frumpy to looking put together, sleek, polished, showing off your figure, like, even if you don't want to show off your figure, if you're wearing pieces that complement your shape, I feel like your outfit's just gonna look so cute and so much better. Okay, so I changed into this cute oversized Tommy Hilfiger top, right? And I'm wearing like a slouchy boyfriend jean. So an easy way to show you guys what I'm talking about is this little tuck, because it makes all the difference in the world. It shows off like that you have a waist, just proportion wise. It's just very, very flattering to do just a little tuck here and there. playing with proportions is just really important, and I think the tuck can really make a difference and really just elevate your outfit, make you look more sleek and polished and put together. Okay, this next thing that it's kind of a pet peeve of mine is too many accessories. I do really think that the key to looking polished and to having like a really good look, a really good outfit, a really good moment is to look very edited, very concise, to the point. If you look like a Christmas tree and there's like things dangling off your ears, wrists, neck, like I get liking jewelry, but like there's a point where it crosses over and it's like, okay, she didn't need that earring with that necklace, with that neckline, with that hair, with that, like it just looks like a big disaster. And I'll show you guys like an edited look with like one little accessory. An accessory should do just that, should accessorize, should complement, should pair well. It should highlight something. It shouldn't like overwhelm and exhaust the eye. I think it has to be something just very natural, and if it looks forced and if it looks cluttered, you don't need it. I just threw on like a ton of accessories. I have this hat on with the earring, with the necklace, with the bangles. Like it's a lot going on, and I feel like it's so unnecessarily when girls pile on accessories. It is unnecessary. Like you don't need to be wearing everything you own in one go. Like save the hat for another day. Like that's just how I feel. Like I feel like this is doing the most and it starts to look so tacky. Maybe pick one, maybe keep the hat, maybe lose the earrings. So maybe I wanted a fun earring. Okay, I wouldn't need to do the necklace and the bangles and the hat. Like pick a lane. Okay, the next one is really something that girls, I feel like, sometimes make a mistake often, and that is sizing down. So to me, it's not important to be a certain size. It's important to look good. So you could be a size 2 and look good. You could be a size 22 and look good. I think you just need to wear the proper size for your body and for your shape. And a lot of girls have this like preconceived notion like, oh, like I'm a size small. Like maybe the medium or large would look a lot better. Who cares what the label says? Like who cares if there's an S on it or an M or an L? Like you need to rock what looks good. And I think that it looks so tacky if your clothing is like sucking you in and you look like you're just like pouring out of it. Like you know what I'm talking about. Like you've felt it before. Like no matter what size you are, there's like back fat or armpit fat or like something like hanging over or hanging out and like not quite feeling like it's sitting right. I think that's a huge fashion mistake, is wearing the wrong size. So please try things on when you're purchasing things. Maybe a certain brand you're a small, and then maybe in a different, you know, in a different brand you might be a medium, you might be an extra small. Like it just depends on the factory, the fabric, it depends on the look. So play around with sizing and don't size down, because I think it often makes you look really tacky. Okay, let me show you guys a prime example. These high-waisted cute little dress pants, they're super cute, right? Can I squeeze them on? Are they buttoned? Yes, 100%. Should I be wearing them? No, like it doesn't fit right. And if I were to be wearing a pant that fit right, I would look 10 pounds thinner. Like this all looks so bad. Versus size up, one size. It's not terrible to be a size up. Like so many people are so afraid of that. Like I'm not this size, like I'm not that size. Wear the size that looks good on you. Like that's should be your size. So you can see that this is so much more flattering, such a more flattering look, and just makes so much more sense. Like it even makes my waist go in better. It just looks so much better to wear the proper size. Okay, and lastly, I think the wrong shoe can completely derail an outfit, and a shoe is very important. I think it can make something look very chic and high-end and polished and put together, or it can completely just make it look like a train wreck. And a lot of girls think that just because like, oh, it's a black shoe, like it matches. No, like there's a pump, a sandal, an ankle booty, a sneaker. Like there's a wedge. There's so many styles, a flat, I don't know if I said that right. There's so many, a slide. There's so many styles for a reason, and each style shoe has a time and a place, and I feel like sometimes it's just not interchangeable, and you shouldn't be wearing, you know, a certain shoe with a certain look, because it just takes the outfit down a notch. Okay, that's probably really crooked. Ugh, I hate fixing this. Okay, so you have on this cute denim on denim, like going out, but still like casual, cool look, right? Your shoe can make or break this look. Okay, honestly, the ankle booty destroys the entire look, and the pump just makes it look sleek, cool. It's the whole vibe, it's the whole mood. Shoes aren't interchangeable, so beware. This is like a disaster. This is such a disaster. And it's just one little thing, and your look can be so polished and cool girl, or it can be like a frumpy mess. So shoes are not interchangeable. Both of these shoes are great. One of the shoes works. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope you guys liked these little tips that I gave you guys. Let me know what you think. Are there any fashion rules that you live by, or is there anything I missed? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.